and I'm going to try not to talk, and I'm going to try to be efficient. You can see how quick and easy it is. Okay. Okay, so I wouldn't have to be that putsy and that careful and that OCD if I was just doing them for myself, and then as I was using them, oh, if I found one that was short, no big deal. But I'm making up these kits for you. I want you to make sure you don't have any missed corners. I don't want to give you any blocks that are not perfect 5-inch blocks or 2.5-inch blocks. And I want to be as efficient as possible. So I'm being putsy and careful so I'm not wasting, I'm not making oopsies, although they do happen once in a while.